Let's go on to the first question. So we are given an integer x. So we are starting with the contest. So given an integer x, he creates a sequence of length n by alternating characters. Okay. So it wants me to answer x and n will be given. If it's 4 times, so you understand that if x minus x, x minus x, if any number appears even number of times, the answer is 0. If it appears odd number of times, then the answer is the number itself. Like if it is even number like 5 minus 5 plus 5 minus 5, sum it up. So pairs, it's getting cancelled. So it's a very simple solution. I think I can just open a folder and see if it should work. Let's make a new folder. All the codes will be available. Okay. All not courses. So 050. No need any agent. Let's make any file. Doesn't matter. It will automatically make a file for me. Yeah. So the template. So I will just input a number. I believe int is enough. X. I think I need an x and an n as well. Right. And we say if x n is odd, cout x, print x. Otherwise print 0. I do have test cases. All the codes will be available, of course. Uh, is yeah, it's passed. Let's try to submit. Submit code for the first problem.